Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our maths class. Today, we are going to have multiplication in grid method. For our starter activity, we have apples galore. How could we work out 17 times 4? Pause the video and try to calculate for your answer. Time is up. Now, let's see how it goes. The correct answer is 68. So, we have here a different type of solving two-digit numbers by one digit. We just simply partition the number 17, 10, and 7. Then we will multiply each by 4. So 10 times 4 is 40, and 7 times 4 is 28. Then we add both. 40 plus 28 equals 68. Alright, I will give you a step-by-step procedures on how to do this. Stay tuned. Our learning objective: to solve multiplication problems using grid method. Success criteria: I can draw multiplication as arrays. I can partition the numbers into tens and ones. I can solve multiplication problems using grid method. And I can write my own multiplication problems and solve them correctly. Okay, the grid method. This is the quicker way to solve large multiplications. So how it is done? Here's an example. Supposing you have a number problem which is 22 times 4. So the first step that we're going to do is to draw a grid. Okay, a grid looks like this, but in your copybook you can just simply put two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. Okay, so on the top we have here the multiplication sign. Okay, and next step that we're going to do is to partition large number. Large number on the number problem is 22. So to partition the number, we got 20 and 2. So we write them both on the top of your grid, 20 and 2. And we write 4 as your multiplier here below the multiplication sign. Now we can do the multiplication. Multiply 2 by 4. So at first, ignore the 0. Just multiply the first numbers. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then put the 0 down or add the 0. Next is multiply 4 by 2, and that is 8. Then you have to add them. So we have 80 plus 8 equals 88. That is the total or the answers for this number problem. Now let's have another one. 36 times 8. Again, draw a grid on your book or in your copybook, and then partition first larger number. So large number is 36. Partition of 36 is 30 and 6. So we put it on the top of your grid and your multiplier 8. Then start to multiply. So ignore the 0. 8 times 3 is 24. Then add the 0 at the end. Then next is 8 times 6 is 48. Add 240 plus 48. That makes 288. Very simple, right? Now, try to solve the multiplication problems using the grids method. We have A, B, and C. I have already provided a grid for you. Pause the video and do the activity. Okay, time is up. Here's the correct answers. So we got 16 times 4 is equal to 64 using the grid method. 25 times 6, we got 150 after using the grid method. And letter C, 43 times 7 is equal to 301. Very simple. Now try this activity. Draw your own grids and then solve or multiply each numbers. Time is up. Now let's reveal the answers. So letter A, 23 times 8 is equal to 184. B, 32 times 8 is equal to 256. Letter C, 24 by 4 is 96. Letter D, 30 times 9 is equal to 270. 18 times 6 is 108. 21 times 7 is 147. Did you get all the correct answers? Great job! Now I will leave you with this activity. I hope you have learned something today. Always enjoy learning and always remember, be the best you can. Bye!